Time for the installation. I have put the base. I have put the base now. Now this is the machine on the seat. Now, okay, we have to put the accessories to complete the installation. That one nut here. This is the second nut. This is the last nut. This is the last one. This is this way.
This is on the breaker now.
Huh?
That's on the breaker.
Yes. Where your machine now?
Now won't go carry come.
I better do now. You do it like this now. Not the
Right
red now.
I beg, carry come. Just give me 5 minutes.
5 minutes no far.
Okay, now.
Huh?
5 minutes no far.
No, far. Just give me carry come.
Yeah,
No, ma. I want to come.
this is the hook. To make the machine very tight and strong. Now, put the washers. The ring washer. The ring washer here. The ring washer here. Now, this is the main nut. Put it. Tight it, very strong. Tight it very well. Then you put the last one. Tight it also. Easy. And here's the last one. This is the second stage of the work. The next stage is to weigh the rack and continue.